सूचना केवल हमारे विचार हैं, वित्तीय सलाह नहीं। निर्णय लेने से पहले खुद शोध करें। किसी भी लाभ या हानि के लिए हम उत्तरदायी नहीं हैं।
Hello viewers, here is today's update on the latest news and order book updates. Avantel Limited has received a purchase order worth 17.70 crore, including taxes, from Bharat Electronics Limited. The order is for domestic manufacturing and is to be executed by September 20, 2028. This disclosure is in compliance with SEBI regulations. Itcons E-Solutions Limited has received a work order from Paschimachal Vidyut Vitaran Nigam Limited (PVVNL) for 1,51,90,319 Indian rupees and 97 paise. The contract involves providing 59 manpower resources, 15 unskilled and 44 skilled workers, for 1 year. Leo Dry Fruits and Spices Trading Limited has received a 1-year contract to supply dry fruits, spices, and other food products to Taj Group of Hotels, Indian Hotels Limited. The contract rates are finalized, but the quantity will depend on purchase orders issued during the contract term. The order size is not currently available. This contract is expected to positively impact the company's business. Falcon Concepts Limited has received a work order worth 2,19,48,000 rupees from Britomatics India Private Limited for glass, glazing, and windows at a site in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. The order is to be executed within 12 months. Cerebra Integrated Technologies Limited received an order from the Securities Appellate Tribunal, Mumbai, granting a stay on the recovery of a penalty, subject to a deposit of 50% of the penalty amount. This follows an earlier appeal filed by the company against an order passed by the adjudicating officer. The details regarding the ongoing litigation are provided as per SEBI Circular No. SEBI/ho/CFT/CFT-pod1/P/Sir/2023/123 dated July 13, 2023. Trishakti Industries Limited has received a contract worth 25 million Indian rupees from Tuaman Engineering Limited for supplying advanced earth-moving machines to be used in the construction of a steel plant. This contract is expected to positively impact the company's financial performance in the coming quarters. Diamond Power Infrastructure Limited (DPIL) has received letters of intent for 2 separate orders for the supply of power cables. The first order, worth 150 crore 98,65,000 rupees, is from Rajesh Power Services Limited for a project under Dakshin Gujarat Wijaya Company Limited. The second order, worth 79 crore 27,80,051 rupees, is from Adani Electricity Mumbai Limited. Both orders are from domestic entities. The execution timeline for the first order is dependent on receiving the DGVCL approval, while the second order is to be completed by March 2026. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
स्टॉक लेटेस्ट न्यूज अपडेट के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें।